Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable Dolby Atmos on your DREAME TV. First of all, press the gear button to open Quick Settings menu and then go to Sound tile here. Now, in order to disable Dolby Atmos, we can either disable Dolby Audio Processing fully, which will disable Dolby Atmos along with other Dolby settings. But if you want to change Dolby Atmos specifically, if you go to Dolby Audio Processing where the Dolby Atmos setting is located, it will be grayed out and enabled automatically if you have any other sound mode enabled than the user. So first of all, if you want to specifically disable the Dolby Atmos, you're going to have to change the sound mode to user. And then after that, even with Dolby Audio Processing enabled, go to Audio Dolby Processing settings and disable Dolby Atmos by switching the toggle to the left next to this feature. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.